Vocal check. Okay, so you're there. You're sort of quiet. Why are you so quiet? Uh, this is better. Oh, this is better. Okay. Better, 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 better. Okay. Um. Bye bye, headphones. Power off.
Power off.
Uh, as this evening unfolds, and I sort of contemplate or put into practice this concept that perhaps my reading voice or my speaking voice might be better pursued than playing guitar at all, and put all that away and like just think by reading whatever. There are a couple of songs that came up. The first two are already done. This third one's very important. There's a fourth one I'm really interested in, and then there's possibly a fifth one depending on energy level, wherewithal, whatever. So I'll try to do this one. Uh, uh, to a degree, with as much diligence and honor that my parents do, um, their life and how they raised me and Michael, and so here it goes. I'll try this. Rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun. Three little birds by your doorstep, sing them sweet songs, melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing out loud, sing out strong, every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, embrace the rising sun, sing its sweet songs, melody pure and true, singing, this is my life I dedicate to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Be the cause. Be the cause that does not worry about something